अनिल भाऊ आहे या.
राकेश बिगिन
भाऊ
दत्ता गेला दत्ता
आज बिगिन जातले किती गटाचा बरोबर लोक जायला स्वेरिंग फाल्या बेगीन सकाळी जातले अजून काय ठरवलं रातच्या आता लेट ठरलं
गडकरीची केन्ना पावलं ते की मिटींग स्टार्ट जातली सिद्धार्थान जातली आणि खोयो म्हटलं अशी मसाज खोयो म्हटलं काय नाही नथिंग सो फार नथिंग इट विल स्टार्ट इट विल टेक सम टाइम द लीडर्स आर येट टू अराइव फ्रॉम दिल्ली सो एनी यू हैव एनी कैंडिडेट्स इन माइंड नो कैंडिडेट्स विल बी फाइनलाइज्ड बाय नितिन गडकरी एंड अमित शाह another 1 hour exactly 1 hour Sir, what about the government is to be in place by tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. Next 9:30. Yeah, for that, BL Santosh ji and Nitin Gadkari ji is reaching Goa in another 1 hour.
पुढे किती जाऊ पाहिजे सर
So he will take the meeting with all the MLAs.
when is the leader will be decided now only
They will be decided.
and when will be swearing in
Tomorrow morning by 9:30.
tomorrow morning when
Sir, अभी
हो एंटर साधारण लागला एक किशोर पाडियो
सर लीडर फायनलच झालं
किती लेटर उद्या सांगला ते आम्ही तुला बोट सांगू आय टोल्ड यू व्हेरी क्लिअर
बाबू पुढे मग पुढे
डिस्कशन
तुमची चॉईस तुमचे ऑप्शन
तुमचा ऑप्शन नाही
हरीश किती करता रे हरीश
फिलिंग बरोबर ना
एक मिनिट
Where is my room?
Any probable name?
Oh, sorry, please stop here. Today is not a day problem. Your feelings are not sorry. Tomorrow we will come.
वचन येवनी तांकां पयलीं विजय मास्तर मास्तर
तुम्ही एज अ पार्टी और G6 मिळेल
बदलता आम्ही सारखे गोया म्हणतात कितें जालें तांणी डिक्लेअर केलो लिडर
तुमकां
ना ना आम्ही वी आर वेटिंग फॉर देम टू टेल अस
तुमचे डिस्कस
no preference
What is the basic criteria?
how we can choose their leader, we can choose our leader.
What is the basic criteria for a leader?
What is the basic
Yeah,
criteria?
basic criteria for the leader.
You have to check the dictionary of a leader. You should fit
No,
that.
no, but for your party, what's the?
For my party, I am the leader. There is no other leader.
So you lead a G6 also.
even the compromise of the G6 whatever
We will just see. We will just see. This is just the beginning, man. तुम्ही सगळे आमकां क्वेश्चन आणि पयलीं लागूच करता.
Sorry.
कितें जालां आतां
I'm sorry, please, this is not the day. Please understand.
चल पास
उजोडे बरे रातचे न्हिदां बी ना
तुम्ही आमच्या जागेत होता सर मातशें सांगता सर कितें जालें तितलें राम रे
nothing. See, we have discussed various possibilities
हां
and they are in the process of finalizing.
ओके
Nothing is confirmed.
सो पुरी
No option खूब आहा कितें कितें उलयलां आमी सगळे the contours of this alliance government in the future. We have discussed with them. And they say that they will decide and let us know by tomorrow.
सो तुम्ही तुमच्या पॉइंट्स घातल्या
टुमारो व्हॉट टाइम
टुमॉरो व्हॉट टाइम
Tomorrow they will tell us in the morning.
सो अजूनही कन्सेन्सस काय कितें हां
ना अजून कांयच
तुम्ही कितें सांगला तुम्ही कितें सजेशन दिला
आमी सांगपाचें तांकां सांगलां तांचे डिसिजन ताजेर कांय जावंक ना ते फाल्यां सांगतले
तांच्यांनी कितें ऑप्शन्स दिले तुका
ऑप्शनां बी खूब आहा रे देर आर सेवरल थिंग्स
हय
पळय आमी 6 जाण आहा
हय
6 जाणांचे मागीर अलायन्स गव्हर्मेंट ताजें भवितव्य फुडें कशें आसचें आनी ताजे खातीर कितें मेजर्स करूंक जाय हें आमी तांकां सजेशनां दिल्लें
They were positive to your.
they are positive they have to get back on certain things if they were positive I would have said that it is resolved certain things have not resolved
Sir, do you feel that the issue should be resolved sooner or what?
no that is for them to decide
Decide.
पूण फाल्यां 9:30 मेरेन जातलें
हांव नको तांचे पळोवया मातशें
So what are your basic criteria?
we have discussed many things everything I
No,
cannot say.
basic 2 or 3 you can tell. Basic 3 to
Basic is on the
common minimum programs.
see, basically the contours of this alliance government in the future. We wanted to put them straight. Basically, how the government should function, who should be delegated what responsibilities, and how we will go forward. We have told them. They have agreed on certain things. They have said they will get back on certain things. Holistically, I can tell you more details tomorrow.
So what was the common minimum program? Sir?
सोय मिनिस्ट्री बीन मागल्या 6 जाणांक वय
They have said that they are going to get back to us. Certain things. Certain things they have agreed, certain things have not been resolved. And we are waiting for them to get back to us.
You have also said that your options are open because your support was to Mr. Parrikar.
Yes, so therefore, the rules of this alliance government for the future, we have discussed in detail